pull string broke, which is an indication that someone, you know, it's repeated starts. And they said it ran really bad. They didn't know why, but it ran really bad when it did run. So the first thing I did was I took it apart to get to the spark plug here. And when I got it, although the spark plug is gray and ashy now, when I first looked at the spark plug, it was wet and black, and that's an indication of being too rich, flooded, the carburetor dumping too much gas. So what I did was I went and looked at the carburetor, and down here on the side of it, which you can't really see all that well, but down there you go, there's a couple of needle jet screws, and they were backed almost all the way out, and then the one underneath it to hold the throttle open was falling out, and someone had opened those screws all the way up, kind of like a valve.